Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, PowerBI and DAX and integration services. So now I'll go to the PowerBI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo, but it's very simple only. Okay, let's try to understand what exactly it is. So here, so I'm opening, so this is the PowerBI desktop. Already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed. Basically it's very simple example only. So first I'll try to explain so what exactly the scenario. So let me go through the data set. Go to the employee table. Here you can see, here you can see there is a table employee. So here it contains two columns, one is employee name, so another one is salary. So here my requirement is I want to find the employee name starting with A letter only. Okay, so whoever the employee is having name letter, first letter is A, I want to find those records only. So for that purpose I have created one calculated column. So let me try to zoom in so that we can see clearly. So here basically I'm using the search function, so to find the who are all having name letter starts with A. So here we can see that the result is 51004, something like that. So basically search function is giving in the index position of the A letter. So in this case we can see fifth letter first, and here there is no A, that's why it's giving 0, and here is the fourth index position, something like that. Okay, so based on the position it is giving the index position. Okay, so this is created by calculated column. So same thing I want to display in the report also. Let me understand how I'm returning the measures on that. So I'm going to the report. So go to the demo measures. So I'm just clicking on employee count. So try to zoom in so that we can see clearly. So here I have declared one variable, so something main sales. So basically, here my requirement is I want to find the employee name starting with A. So that's why I'm trying to use the filter condition. In the filter condition, so what are the calculated columns created in the data table? So I'm just filtering only when the employee count is equal to 1. It means that, let me go to the again calculate column. Here we can see that Arjun. So in this employee, the letter is A starting. Again here also Aravind. So only these two employees we need to count. So that's why I'm writing the condition like this. Okay, so it's giving properly only. Here also we can see that. So it's giving only Aravind as well as Arjun only. Okay. So instead of creating calculated column, we can do the same thing in the measure itself also. So let me try to show you that is also. So we expand this one. So here basically I'm using the count rows function. Basically count rows accept a table as an input parameter. So within that I am trying to use the filter. So filter function, basically it will take two parameters. One is table as well as the expression. In the table I'm giving the name of the table is employee. In the expression I'm using the one more condition like if condition I'm using. In the if condition I'm trying to search in the employee name column, so who are employees having letter A, so then starting with the index position 1, I want to count those one only. Okay, so I'm writing this expression. Based on the expression it is giving count only employee name starting letter A only, so it's giving correctly. Okay, so like this I have written this expression also. So I think these two expressions are giving correctly only. So there are some cases we need to do this kind of requirement also. That's why I'm doing the video. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.